Hi, I'm Madison from FreshCut Paper, and I'm here to show you how to set up your Hanukkah Wishes pop-up bouquet. Let's go ahead and open up the envelope and see what's inside. First, you're going to notice a matching note card, followed by a decorative add-on sheet. Next, you'll go ahead and pull out your bouquet, and in this style, you'll notice it pops open right away. And you'll notice on the back there's full color. When you're displaying, you'll want to squeeze the sides just a little bit to give it that rounder effect, and then you can adjust the bow to your liking. This holiday bouquet also comes with attachable Hanukkah decor. You can go ahead and pop out the decor, and you'll notice at the bottom, with a little press, it has a little attachable slot. And now, you can put it on your bouquet. When you're ready to put your bouquet away for the season, you can pull the bottom flat, and then I find it easiest to also grab the center of it, and now it's ready to go into the envelope. Happy Hanukkah from FreshCut Paper.